Get the most out of your devices by using iPhone mirroring. You can use your Mac to wirelessly interact with your iPhone and its apps while it stays securely locked nearby. Here's how. Before you start, make sure you're using a Mac with Apple Silicon or an Intel Mac with a T2 security chip. Your Mac and iPhone should be updated to the latest operating system and signed into the same Apple account. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth also need to be on. Ready? Let's get started. To use iPhone mirroring on your Mac, open the iPhone mirroring app from the dock or your Applications folder. The first time you use iPhone mirroring, a short setup will appear. Click Continue, and you'll be prompted to unlock your iPhone so you can use it with your Mac. Just enter your passcode on your iPhone. Then, on your Mac, choose if you'd like to allow notifications from your iPhone, and click Get Started when it's ready. You can now lock your iPhone and set it aside. A window shaped like your iPhone screen will appear. Just use Touch ID or enter your Mac login password to authenticate. On your Mac, you'll be asked to select how you'd like to authenticate when you use iPhone mirroring. You can choose for your Mac to ask for your login password or Touch ID every time, or choose to automatically connect without authenticating whenever your Mac is unlocked. We'll choose Authenticate Automatically. You might need to enter your Mac login password again to enable automatic authentication. Then click OK. You can now control your iPhone on your Mac. You can use your mouse or trackpad to open apps, swipe, and scroll. And if your app has audio, it will play through your Mac speakers or connected headphones. You can also click the home bar at the bottom of your iPhone screen while using an app, or press Command-1 on your Mac keyboard to return to the home screen. Or move the pointer over the top edge of the display area and click the Home Screen button. Next to the Home Screen button, you'll find the App Switcher button, which you can use to close or switch between your open apps. You can swipe up with 2 fingers on a trackpad or 1 finger on a magic mouse to close your apps. To exit the App Switcher, just click the blurred space around your apps. On the home screen, you can even rearrange your apps and edit widgets like you would on your iPhone. Just click and hold an empty space on the screen until all the apps jiggle, and click and drag to move one. Click Done when you're finished. To access your iPhone mirroring settings, click the iPhone mirroring menu on your Mac. Then choose Settings. Here, you can adjust your authentication settings, and you can click the Revoke Access button if you want your Mac to forget the current iPhone you're using and start over. When you're done, click the Close button to close iPhone mirroring settings. If you click the View menu, you can view keyboard shortcuts for quick navigation and adjust the size of the iPhone mirroring window. You can also use the keyboard on your Mac to type on your iPhone. Let's select Journal and write a quick entry. All done. Now, let's work on our Mac and iPhone together. We're going to continue working on a project in Keynote on our Mac. And on our iPhone, we'll open Photos. When using iPhone mirroring, you can drag and drop items like photos right into documents, notes, emails, and more. Just drag it from the iPhone mirroring window directly into the space you want it on your Mac and release. With a few adjustments, this will be perfect. When you get a notification specific to an iPhone app, it will appear alongside your Mac notifications in Notification Center. If your iPhone is nearby, you can click the notification, and the app will open in iPhone mirroring. This lets you use both of your devices at the same time on the same screen without ever picking up your iPhone. All right, let's close this keynote so we can focus on our iPhone again and return to the home screen. If you unlock your iPhone while using iPhone mirroring, You'll get a message in the window on your Mac letting you know that iPhone mirroring has automatically ended. To immediately reconnect, just lock your iPhone, and on your Mac, click Connect. But if you're done, you can click the Close button or press Command and Q together on your keyboard. And that's how your iPhone and Mac can work together with iPhone mirroring. To learn more about your Apple devices, subscribe to the Apple Support YouTube channel, or click another video to keep watching. iPhone mirroring is not available in all countries or regions.